Good day everyone. I can't say it's morning because it's not morning anymore. I just went to my acupuncture procedure, so I have all of these fun things on me and these, so don't get scared. But yeah, it's fun times. I hope I'll be better soon. I didn't put any makeup, but today I want to do a little bit of, just stay with me. I have some stuff to do, practicing, just figure out my new product. I have one size scrunchie and it's this size. It's not too big, not too small. Okay, so this is the small one that I'm thinking to release. Super small when you just want to have, sorry, this fabric is now wet because I was washing dishes, but it's just super small to have for braided hair, you know, to secure everything or something like that. I don't know, I'm still thinking, but I kind of like it. Maybe I'll put a little bit more fabric, I don't know, but leave the same size, just put a little bit more fabric. I don't know. So I got some products from Amazon. This is the first one. I got oil diffuser. I'll put the link if you're interested. It was like maybe £24. So I got all the oils: lavender, tea tree, sweet orange, peppermint, lemongrass, essential oils, and then the main thing is this. We will be using in the evening today and trying it out. Cute. It's just plastic, old plastic. I thought this will be wood, but it's just plastic thingy, and you just put water and essential oils. And yeah, thing that I got is from Jamie Lee Cosmetics on TikTok. I won the giveaway. I never won any giveaways in my life that I can remember, never. So basically we have on TikTok now this feature where you stay on a live on, you know, who you follow, and they can put a giveaway through TikTok, and you just press participate in the giveaway, and TikTok automatically generates the winner. And I was the winner. I couldn't believe this was my second try with that giveaway, and I won. So I just want to do a TikTok video with them opening, but it's a cup and a sponge that they're popular with. I went to Aldi and I bought this box, tons of products made. Yeah, I thought this box will be totally fine for my first totally finished products, because I don't have a lot, so I'll put all of them here. So maybe let's do that first because they're everywhere now. Yesterday in the evening I was sewing those. Because with different fabrics, the product looks different. So I was trying with the fabric that I made a scrunchie with, and a bow don't look nice. It looks without the volume at all. So sad bow. But yeah, that's a try and error. It's a lot of trying and a lot of fails and a lot of success. So yeah, let's go and put in the box everything. I look a little bit out of this world, don't look the best. I'll put a little bit of foundation on my face. This one is really nice. I bought at TK Maxx. It's really good for dry skin, and I always put my foundation in the palm to heat it up, and then I just use my foundation brush. Let me show you what I got yesterday. That was cute. Look. Look. My partner yesterday brought it back home. That's cute. They're really beautiful. Because as you know, I'm still sick. So he made a surprise for me. and brought me flowers to make me feel better. Sweetheart. And they smell really, really nice. Okay, you're back on my tripod. I think I will just tidy up my table and then we'll figure out something. My most popular headbands, of course, they have to go. I made 3 now, but one of them is already sold, so I need to pack that. So that's that. Scrunchies we can put into the baggie. Made. I love them. These are all my clips. The organza bow. Super cute. This one is not finished yet. This is a beautiful one, but I haven't finished the ends, so maybe on TikTok I'll do the ends. But it's beautiful. Has like gold thread in it. Balls. So these are for the clips and for the bows. Just like that. For my scrunchies or not, I don't know. They're cute, but they're wrong Instagram. I have my Scrunchie Instagram now, so I don't know if I'll be using them, but I have these. I'm happy. I can show you how I'm thinking to make it. So basically, for the scrunchies, for example, let's do the clip. So my packaging, this is bad, but don't mind. It would go like that. Like that. So the clip would come like that. Like that. And then it would come in the pouch. So like that. I think it's the most like reusable. I don't want to use plastic, so that's what I'm thinking how it will go. So yeah, if you order any clips, you'll get your order like that packaged, and I hope you will like it. Okay, so let me show you how the clip looks in the hair. So this one is a 10 centimeter base, so it has my stars and it comes like that inside, and this is how it looks. The fabric, one of my favorite. So I will show you a couple of ways how I wear the clip. So the first way is just if you're doing something and you don't want to have your front hair or your fringe around your face. So this is the first way. I don't know if you can see, but I put my hair up how much high I would like, and I go like that, like that. Ding. So the 10 centimeter is the same price as 8 centimeter. It's just The 10 centimeter is for thicker hair, and it kind of it's more secure than 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is really for thin hair. It suits me too. I use 8 centimeter, but 10 centimeter is perfect too. Of this fabric, Scrunchie, because I don't have it, and I think I would like to have. But still, let's do that. It's in this bag. It's my other bag of fabrics. Ta-da! It's this one. It's beautiful. So let's make some scrunchies of it. Oh, and this back one. Let's do the back one too. With this bow, so I made this one and it looks beautiful. So it's already made and ready to ship if someone wants it, but beautiful. And I just cut the fabric to make a bow from this fabric. It's fall season, so yeah, that's all that I made today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.